A very lovely hello to all my dear champions, to all my lovely students. So first of all, I would like to welcome you everyone on your favorite channel, Diksha Vedantu CBSE English. So my dear lovely students, in this video today, I have come up with very important topic, very important, very sensitive and very serious topic. See, what I realized, I have seen this before many times, after exam students talking with their friends, with their teachers, sir, my friend, my exam really went well. But as the results declare, when the results come out, your marks is so low. You are just getting only 2 marks out of 10. You are just scoring 2 marks in 5 marker question. You are just scoring 30-20 marks out of 70. Where you are making mistake, where you are making mistakes, this is the point. So my dear champion, this video is related to that, how to improve your examination skill. You know everything, you revise well, you study well, you really do a lot of hard work, you are putting effort, but as the exam day comes up, when you sit in your examination hall, when you write your answer sheet, when you attempt the questions, how to write the answer, how to attempt the maths question, how you guys can ensure full marks in your question. This is the most important thing. And it happens with, a lot of the students, majority, almost every student facing the same difficulties, same challenges. They know everything, but still they are not getting marks well in their exam. So this video is, related to that. How to improve your examination skill, your answer writing skill, and the part and the corner where you are making mistakes, you should avoid to ensure good marks in your exam. So let's begin this video, very powerful video. And why? Because your steps are invisible. You may know the full answers but still lose marks in maths. And this video is belongs to every subjects, but most of the points that will be helpful for you, especially in mathematics. So I'm going to give you 4 to 5 powerful tips, powerful points that you should avoid while you are writing your maths answer. What are the points that you require to ensure whenever you are solving the 3 marker, 5 marker or 4 marker question in maths exam? So let's start. So the first point comes up here is the examiner isn't only checking your answer. So the evaluator, whoever is evaluating your answer sheet, that guy is not just checking your answer. They are looking at your presentation, how the way you are writing your answers, your presentation, your the decorative, following every step, your clarity. So answer should be very systematic, very clear, marks oriented, whatever, so that the examiner, evaluator will give you the mark generously. So in class 10 maths, marks are split across your formula, substitution, calculation and conclusion. You all know this. If you follow the steps, if you write the steps, if the steps are visible, substituting the values are visible, calculation is clear, then only you will get full marks. Otherwise your marks will be deducted. As you all know, in coming years, it has already implemented in class 12th examination, how the way answer sheets are evaluating by CBSE is fully digitized, and that is called OSM. Your answer sheet is being scanned by digital, the artificial methodology, and by scanning your answer sheet you will be awarded your marks. There is no one physically there will be no one who will be physically checking your answer sheet. Everything is digitized, right? Everything is based on now technology. So in mathematics especially, please ensure to follow the steps, because in scanning, if your steps are reflecting there, then only you will be getting the marks. If any step is unfortunately missed, you will not be awarded by any marks over there. So this is very important thing. So right method, wrong answer, you can still earn most of the marks if you follow the right method. If your answer is wrong, your conclusion, your result is wrong, but you have followed steps are good, because of some reason, because of silly mistakes, you are not getting correct answer. You made mistake somewhere, unfortunately. But the step you followed while solving that particular question, you will be getting marks champions. So this is the beauty of mathematics. Step marking is there. Second is right answer, no walking. Your answer is correct, but the steps you followed is wrong, you will not be getting any marks. So keep these 2 points. So in mathematics, step marking is there. Come on, keep this in your mind, everyone. Step marking. If your answer is wrong and you have followed the steps, you will be getting marks. But if your answer is wrong and you didn't follow the proper steps, it indicates that you have just memorized the answer. You have just, followed the rote learning. You have just mugged up the correct answer you have written there. So everyone, if you are clever, the examiner is also clever. Examiner is also beyond you, my dear. है ना? So this is all about right method, wrong answer, you will be getting marks. So 1 4 marker question where your marks come from. Basically in mathematics, the marks zone, the marks zone where the marks come from, correct formula, writing the correct formula plays very important role. Correct formula, clear substitution. Substitution means putting the values, right? Accurate calculation, this is very important, and conclusion plus unit. Some students miss this. In flow, in hurry, they used to miss this. If you are calculating what is the speed of boat and you are getting answer 40, the speed of boat is, what is 40? 40 liter, 40 kilogram. If we are talking about speed, so answer whether it may be kilometer per hour or meter per second. So make sure to write the unit also. Please, champions, very important, because in scaling, unit will be playing vital role. You can't skip the unit. So conclusion plus unit. So these are the 4 things: correct formula, clear substitution, accurate calculation, and of course conclusion plus unit. Moving to next. So let's talk about secret number 1 that you need to follow while you are writing your maths exam. Okay, so write the formula first. Never jumps straight to the answer. State the formula you will use before you solve. So my dear, never jump to the answer. So what you need to do, if you jump to the answer, you will not be getting any marks. This is a red cross. Don't do this. So instead, what you need to do, formula first. Write the formula. Area, for example, area of circle is pi r square. Now after writing the formula, this is the formula here. What happened? Okay, so this is the formula here. Now formula first, area pi r square. Now putting the values, and this is called substituting. This step is called substituting the values, and after getting the answer, putting the value, now doing calculation. So formula, substitution, calculation, and what you need to do whenever final answer comes up in front of you, luckily you got the answer. You got the answer. Now make sure to make box here to highlight the formula. So method invisible, marks secured. So method visible, marks secured. If method is invisible, marks will be unsecured. That example, not formula shown, method, marks lost. So this is very important. So my dear, what you need to do, write the formula first and follow the procedure. So always make sure to solve the maths question step wise. Moving to next, secret number 2. And what is the secret number 2 here? Okay, now secret number 2, show your substitution. Show your substitution. Okay, your substitution. Show your substitution. Plug the numbers into the formula on its own line. Even if the final answer slips, your correct step still score. Yes, this is very important, champion. My dear, listen. Plug the numbers into the formula. Put the formula. This is, even if the final answer slip due to pressure, due to anxiety, when you sit in an examination hall, different questions comes up in mind. Regarding time, oh my God, only half an hour is left. My friends are doing well. I'm just stuck here. What will be if my result will not go well? I'll be answerable in front of my parents and all. This is my first step of my life. Lot of questions comes in mind when you write your exam in examination hall. So because of that pressure, you might make mistake. Right. So if you are not getting correct answer here due to some calculation, but you followed the correct step here, writing the formula, putting the values correctly, my dear champion, you will get few marks there. Not full marks, but few marks will be there. You will be awarded by few marks if you have followed the correct steps over there. So this is the beauty, champions. This is the beauty. Okay, this is the beauty. Okay, here, look, 154 is correct answer. When you calculate 22 by 7, 7 to 7 cancel, and 20. But you have unfortunately written here 152. So 152, this 152 is not correct answer. But still, you will be awarded marks there. Because why? Why, champions? Because you have followed the correct steps over there. Correct steps. I hope this is clear to you. So this is all about score 2 by 3, method solved you. So partial marks add up, never skip the line. partial. This is all about in mathematics. Everyone know, you must be aware about this. Mathematics follows the step marking. So partial solution will be giving you the marks over there. Now moving next, secret number 3. Now secret number 3 is, secret 3 in geometry, give the reason. Yes my dear, if you solving the question from surface areas and volume, triangle, circle, these are such chapters. Or if you are solving the question from application of trigonometry, so all the chapters contain lot of diagrams. So whenever you are solving the question related to diagram, few diagrams are there, always name the theorem or property you use. If you are missing the theory, property, marks will be deducted there. So the calculation by itself is not enough. For example, right triangle is given there, and you have to if I'm asking you to find out AC is the hypotenuse, because this line is here, this line is here, so AC is the hypotenuse. Now how you can find out AC here? So this is AC. Okay, so to find out the AC, what we need to apply here? We have to apply Pythagoras theorem. But if you are solving direct finding AC and you are writing AC is equal to 3 square 9 4 square, this is 5 centimeter, but you haven't provided there the information, which formula you used, which theorem you have applied there, the marks will be deducted. It indicates you have just mugged up the answer. You have just memorized the answer. You don't know the answer, how it came, how to solve, you don't know. But when you write the formula by Pythagoras theorem, so this is the Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to sum of square of perpendicular plus base. Now doing calculation AC, we get 5 centimeter. So this is the perfect method. So instead of writing directly value answer, please make sure to give the reason, theorem, property, which property you have applied, which theorem you are using there. So this is very important thing. I hope you guys are understanding the thing. Moving to next, secret number 4. Secret 4 is, look at the secret number 4, box the answer with its unit. Come on yaar, box the answer with its unit. This is the important point. Box the answer with its unit. And with unit will be applicable mostly in the chapter arithmetic progression, when you will be finding out the speed, price and all, age and all. Quadratic equation, what is the speed of boat, speed of stream of water. In application of trigonometry, what is the height of building, whether it is 400 meter or centimeter, whatever is there. So when you are solving word problem type question that is linked to your day-to-day life, and you all know as per the new CBSE pattern, lot of question will be there in your exam based on competency. I mean the realistic questions will be there from your day-to-day life, and in most of the question you will be required to write the units also, champions. So don't miss this. So whatever the final answer you got, please make sure to box the final answer. Do this as this yellow color box. Can you see here? Easy to overlook. So if any student is writing answer 154 only, he is not boxing the answer and the unit is also missed, the marks will be deducted. So don't do this. Come on yaar, easy to overlook. This is the visible. Here the visibility will be higher comparatively to this. This 154 look like ordinary, only 154. The examiner might be confused. So what you need to do instead? Do this instead. And area 154 centimeter square. Look at this is unit here, and look at the boxing. So this is the perfect way to write your answer. I hope you are getting my point. So box the final answer with unit. So boxed with unit, examiner friendly. Examiner will be happy. Oh wow, what a student. Look at the presentation of the answer. Look at the beauty, overall neatness of the answer. So he or she will be giving you marks generously with kind-hearted, if you will be making them impressed. So your answer should be very effective, very powerful. And how you guys can make your answer sheet very impactful and powerful, following these 4 steps I have given you. So this is all about the 4 secrets you need to follow, champions, in your examination hall. So put it all together, the model answer will be looking like this. By following, if you follow all 4 steps I have explained here in previous slides, if you follow all 4 steps clearly, honestly, your answer will look like this. Come on, look at the beauty. Wow. Find the area of circle of radius 7 centimeter, for example. So writing the formula is clear. The first step is done. first step is done, writing the formula. Second step, putting the values. So this is called substitution. 1 marks is awarded. Now calculation, this is +1. Now final answer boxed with units. This is unit and this is boxed. So this is unit plus box, 1 marks. So this is the way how you guys can make your maths answer sheet very impactful, attractive, beautiful, powerful, impactful, champion. So I hope this video is very helpful for you all. So my dear champion, how you guys can score good marks in your exam? Formula should shown, substitution should shown, calculation shown, and boxing with correct unit. So this is these are the most powerful points. By following that, you guys can make your answer sheet very impactful. Now if we go to few example, like I have taken one example from arithmetic progression, how you guys should answer the question from arithmetic progression. I mean, how you guys can make your answer sheet impactful. So code the formula and build each equation. The setup carries marks. So for example, find the sum of all 3 digits number that are divisible by 7. This question is in your NCERT textbook and it will carry 3 to 5 marks. It may come. So given information, A will be, when you write the arithmetic progression of 3 numbers divisible by 7, A will be 105 because 105 can be divided by 7. Okay, so L is 994, the last term is 994. So this formula, oh my god, can you see here the beauty? Wow. So the toppers usually follow this step. How the topper make their answer sheet very impactful. So writing all the given values first plus last term. Now selecting the formula, nth term formula, because last term is given. Now using the formula, so this is called substitution. Now again one more formula, sum formula. Now doing solution, substituting the value, substitution, and final answer is here and in boxed. And you can see Sn is equal to 70336. So look at the beauty of this answer. Now moving ahead, few more example. Let's see surface areas and volume which carry 5 marks. Let's look at the question. A cone is mounted on a hemisphere. So basically there is a hemisphere. The diagram is also given. There is a hemisphere and a cone is mounted. Mounted means hemisphere is pasted, attached on hemispherical base. Such diagram is called mounted diagram. Each of radius 3.5 centimeter. Radius is given. The twice total height is 15.5. This will be this entire height, because the height of cone is 12 and this radius 3.5. So entire height will be 15.5 centimeter. Find its total surface area. So writing the given information, cone plus height, slant height formula, but we require slant height. Slant height is called this. So we have formula. So slant height formula under root h square plus r square. So now using the formula is also clearly visible here, which formula is being used. So slant height formula. Now total surface area, curved surface area of cone and the curved surface area of this. So by using the formula, putting the value, getting the answer. So total surface area is 214.5. Can you see centimeter square? So here unit is used and this is boxed. Final answer is boxed. So these are the few samples. You should also follow the steps to make your answer sheet, your answer very clear and very visible. So my dear champion, don't just know the answers, show your walking. So if you are mugging up the formula, if you are following the rote learning, if you are just memorizing the math solution, so that will not be walking longer. So for longer understanding, to learn anything, for concept clarity, my dear champion, follow instead of making your notes lengthy, decorative, wasting a lot of time in just doing so-called homework and all. Please try to focus on concept, try to understand the concept, and try to improve your examination skill. How to make answer sheet impactful, that also works they plays very big role into making your answer sheet very powerful and attractive. So don't just know the answer, show your walking, how you are presenting your answer. This is also important. So the 4th step I have already explained. Let me give you the short overview. First step is formula first, show substitution, give reason, and box plus unit answer. Method on the page is equal to marks in the blank. So this is the important thing. I hope this video will be helpful for you all, and don't forget to share this very powerful game changing video with your friends, with your classmates, And don't forget to subscribe the channel Diksha Vedantu and keep coming here. Stay connected with us. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.